If you regularly watch videos on YouTube about drones and other technology, I have some great news for you. On December 1st, Ready Set Drone, along with several other content creators in the YouTube drone community, will host the first ever meetup for our group. If you've ever participated in a chat during Ken Heron's Thursday Night Live, if you've ever wondered how Chris Rollins turns ordinary product reviews into epic adventures, if you've ever wanted to actually enjoy some pigeon jerky in real life, then this is your opportunity. Ready Set Drone will be joined by Ken Heron, Billy Kyle, Rick from Drone Valley, Chris Rollins, B from DRONR, and a number of other notable YouTube content creators for the first ever SpinUp Live event in Austin, Texas. This one-day event takes place on December 1st, 2018, and will be jam-packed with content. We'll hear presentations about the future of drones, FPV racing, cameras and photography, filmmaking, commercial production with drones, how to grow on YouTube, how to make money with drones, how to make money on YouTube, and much more. You'll have plenty of time to meet and talk with the presenters, to fly drones in a minor league baseball stadium, and to finally meet the members of this online community in person and in real life. Plus there will be giveaways, lots of giveaways, with some great prizes including a Mavic 2. And of course, we'll provide food and drinks throughout the day and a bag of drone-related swag for everyone who attends. Tickets are on sale now and are deeply discounted for the first 100 people that buy them. We're limiting the attendance to 300 people, and with our sliding scale for pricing, the earlier you buy your tickets, the less they cost. So please join us in Austin for the first ever event specifically for the YouTube drone community. It's going to be interesting, it's going to be fun, and it's probably going to sell out. So go to www.dronespinup.com to reserve your space. If you have questions, feel free to drop me a note, kelly@readysetdrone.com. Thanks for watching, and tune in for updates as we add more speakers, sponsors, and surprises to the event. I look forward to meeting you in December.